Okay, and now we're going to play the 13th drop for Fatal Frame. So this is the last one other than the final drop, which is the ending of the game. So I'm really, really excited to finally finish this up.
Sunrise isn't for another few hours.
That is the most uncomfortable position to sleep in.
They're here.
Tony's here. Get out of my face.
I'm melting away.
She did the do with that ghost. I'm sorry, I've seen what Tony looks like. I don't know about that one. Yeah, give me my points. I'm assuming I'm gonna have to do basically a ghost fight in every room.
Mount Hakami. Here on the mountain, water itself was revered and worshipped. Souls come from the water, and it's where they return to in death.
Ugh, I had to go to Yuri's room. There's a ghost under the bed.
Souls are born of water, and water is what they revert to. To seek death in the waters of the mountain was to be reborn, a means to a proper death.
He sounds like Light Yagami right now. Is it Yuri's room again? I love that they're just beating up Yuri. Oh shit! Okay, I guess they're beating up me. I wish you could flip through these faster.
You will not escape.
Wait, where is 9?
You will not.
Oh! 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 I think I'm fucking stupid because I really cannot figure out where the hell I'm supposed to be going. Oh, are they in Mew's room? Is that what the problem is? They've got to be in here. Oh my god! He's here! Oh, girl. Hey, girl. Hey. Poor baby. I've been waiting for this. Oh! Oh! Hello?
This one here is to be bound as well.
I'm so sorry, buddy. That's horrible. I'm kind of distraught. I kind of wish I hadn't seen that. I love how my model is smiling. I'm not smiling. the fuck? I'm sad. I'm actually genuinely sad.
And in order to preserve the water's purity, shrine maidens were chosen to be immortal flowers, human sacrifices, or pillars.
Including that beautiful, beautiful man! For some reason.
They were placed inside those black boxes.
Why are there so many of them? I hated that part. And I'm still distraught. Ugh. This is a giant exposition chapter too.
Hisoka, Yuri, Miyu, Miku, Rui. I was right to bring them back. But what will happen when the mountain loses its pillars?
Oh my god, wait, we did it! Yay, we got A rank. Okay, so I am going to do the next chapter in the next one, the final chapter, but thank you for watching.